So someone asked, which currency pair is most suitable for beginning traders and experienced traders alike? If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. For free indicators, Forex robots, Forex courses, etc., be sure to see the links in the description box below. Currencies are exchanged in pairs. In Forex trading, we know that there are what are called major, minor, and exotic pairs. As the name suggests, the most traded type are major pairs. The major pairs contribute more than 85% of the total Forex trading volume. Prices in these pairs move in tighter spreads, but they are a bit volatile during market opening hours. Major pairs are those that have USD in them. Some of the major pairs are EUR/USD, USD/JPY, GBP/USD, and USD/CHF. The other vital pairings which do not include the US dollar are known as cross currencies. Some of these are GBP/EUR, EUR/CHF, EUR/JPY, etc. Liquidity in these pairs is the highest when compared to other Forex pairs. The larger the import-export value between two nations, the more liquid the currency pair of these countries will become. As a result, EUR/USD is the most liquid pair in the world. One of the reasons behind these currencies being traded so extensively is the political and economic stability associated with these currencies. Big investors feel it is safe to park their money in such economies. What should you trade? If a currency pair has high liquidity, the volatility of that pair decreases. For people who have just begun their Forex trading journey, it is recommended to start trading major currency pairs before experimenting with minors and exotics. Now try answering the question, which currency pair is most suitable for beginning traders? The EUR/USD currency pair has the highest order flow and thus the best liquidity in the entire Forex market. This means you also need not worry about possible slippage and your trades will always be executed immediately. Also, trading of EUR/USD currency pairs will typically have a lower amount of volatility. Therefore, this currency pair is particularly suitable for beginners. Another advantage is the very low spread, especially if you are a scalper. So in my opinion, if you must trade one currency pair whether as a beginner or an experienced trader, EUR/USD is a good choice. Feel to disagree or agree with me in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe and visit the links in the description box below. See you in the next video.